Hi, my name is Jen Burns, Engineering Recruiting Manager in the South Bay Area with Quest Groups. I wanted to chat with you about a company I'm working with, recently closing $35 million in Series C funding, backed by big names like Excel, Lightspeed, and other well-known VCs in the Bay Area. Their founding engineers are out of Juniper Park and other well-known bigger companies in the Bay. They are currently looking for a UI engineer with 5+ years of experience, JavaScript heavy, HTML5, AngularJS is a plus. They're a laid-back group of engineers and founders, work hard, play hard environment. So if you're interested, please reach out. We'd love to chat with you.
Hi, my name is Audrey Panzeri. I'm the manager of the product and marketing team for the Peninsula and Silicon Valley. And I wanted to get in touch with you today to talk about an awesome startup that I'm recruiting for based in Palo Alto that is actually in the social analytics space. So what they do essentially is they give insight to brands of what their customers or consumers are saying about them through the various social media channels. Very data driven, which is very hot right now. They're basically taking data from live conversations that people are having through Twitter and Facebook and basically breaking that down and giving that insight back to the companies to make better decisions or increase customer experience. I love recruiting for this company. They are growing pretty quickly. They actually just came off a fresh round of funding for $90 million. So the role I have for them right now is a director of product management. The ideal candidate will have several years of experience under their belt already in a product management function, really knows what it means to be in this role, really can take over a lot of ownership there, and obviously have very deep understanding of the social analytics or social enterprise space. This role is going to be working directly with the executives, including the VP of product management and their executive staff. So they really want somebody that's comfortable being in this position and ideally actually building out a team over time.
Today I'm working with a company. They just closed north of $15 million in funding, developing a number of award-winning music apps, which actually helped scale out their engineering team, including placing their CTO there. And they're looking to fill probably currently about 5 positions. One position I'm aggressively looking to hire, it's a senior server engineer. They need someone who has strong backend development with Java, SQL, MySQL. Preferably, they'd like some open source experience, but it's not a requirement for the position. This could be a senior, a lead, a management, or a director level position, depending on the person's experience. They're also looking to fill a number of mobile development roles, whether it be on the Android, iOS side. They'd like someone that has experience with apps in either the Google Play Store or the iTunes Store, but obviously they're just looking for smart, bright engineers to help continue to grow and scale their team.
My name is Phil Hines. I'm a technical recruiter in the New York City market with Quest Groups, and talking to you about a company I'm working with right now who is the industry leader in analyzing and mining Twitter's analytics and data. They're an unbelievable company, closed $33 million in funding just in the last year. I've actually helped them staff over 20 people in the last 8 months. One of the reasons why I love working with them is they're solving real-world problems. It's one of the largest fields and also one of the largest verticals right now in gathering massive amounts of data, being able to break it down in real time and then provide that information to people who can leverage it. So the role I'm helping them fill right now, the highest priority is for a head of data science and analytics. They need somebody with an incredibly strong background in data mining, natural language processing, and someone who comes from a top academic background. They have one of the best engineering teams in New York City. Their data scientists are world-renowned. These guys all have PhDs out of Brown, MIT, Columbia. So it's a very high bar, but if you feel like you're qualified for it and it's a job that sounds interesting to you, I'd love to hear from you.
Hi, I'm John Magruder. I'm Senior Executive Recruiter for the Texas market, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about one of my favorite companies that I'm getting to work with right now. It's the founder and actually sole backer of this particular company has been a serial CEO, and he has created a business decisioning tool that will assist other executive teams and CEOs with basically understanding how the decisions that they're making are impacting the performance of their overall business. So the longer they use it and the more information they put in, the more intuitive and better results they can get out of the product. So essentially what he decided was, after being a CEO, he wanted to help other CEOs be more effective in their job. We're trying to help them find 3 different roles. We've actually got a lead iOS role, so this person will absolutely own the entire mobile dev component. On the back end, they use Ruby on Rails for the web piece, and then we're also helping them with a product designer, which is really more focused on like the HCI component. So, but great growth potential, extremely well funded, fortunately, because he was a serial CEO. He has plenty of financial resources, so the run rate is really good. But great opportunity, and probably the other really cool thing about the company that I wanted to mention is that they really believe in attracting A-player talent, but they understand that they have to take care of them, so they believe in a work-life balance.